said stop. I don't give a fuck, nigga.
I said stop.
I don't care.
You better get hurt.
My goddamn daughter.
Police were dispatched to a residence after reports of an intoxicated father causing a disturbance. After learning new information, the situation escalated quickly as he demanded access to his child.
Where'd he go?
Out the back door.
Out the back door. Hey!
Hey!
Come here! What are you doing?
Bro, I'm sorry.
Put it down.
Damn, okay. Get off me, bro.
Shut up.
Please. I didn't do it. Bro, they lying. Please, they lying, bro.
Then why are you running?
Cause, bro, they bullshitting. Bro, please let me go.
Shut up.
Alright, whatever. God damn.
Up.
Hold on. Here. It's Delphi.
Put it down.
From the store. Bro, get my phone, bro. Take it to my old lady. Take it to my old lady, bro. Bro, let me say bye to my kid.
You shut up.
Let me say bye to my kid. Baby, help me. Baby! Baby!
You got anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me?
No, I got I got cigarettes and shit like that, a charger. I got shit that's gonna fucking stick you, bro. Now get the fuck up off me.
Excuse me?
I don't care, beat the fuck out of me, whatever you want to do. That's a lawsuit, I don't give a fuck. Baby!
Shut up.
Let me talk to my daughter, bro.
No, you're not talking to nobody.
Let me talk to my goddamn daughter!
You better calm your ass down, you understand
I don't
me?
give a fuck, nigga, fuck you!
That's enough.
You a bitch, bro! Fuck y'all niggas!
Got him right here.
Fuck your goddamn cops, bro. Y'all ain't nothing but a bunch of fat fucking pigs! Definitely you fat, ugly bitch!
Go over there.
Nigga, fuck you! Bro, fuck you! I said stop. I don't give a fuck, nigga!
I said stop.
I don't care!
You better get
Let me talk
hurt.
to my goddamn daughter!
You're done.
You will in a minute.
You're done. When you stop acting stupid,
Let
you
me
can,
talk to my
you can
daughter.
talk to him.
Okay, I'm calm, but let me talk to my daughter,
Did
bro.
you hear what I said?
Yes, uncuff me so I can talk
Shut
to my
up for a
daughter.
second.
Okay, bro.
Shut up.
Whatever.
Quit talking.
Let me talk to my daughter, please.
Stay right there.
Nigga, let me talk to my daughter.
Stay right there.
You think I give a fuck about this land, nigga? That shit was a bitch, bro. I've been drunk by 5 niggas. I don't give a fuck.
Cool, man.
Shut up and
Cool.
stay right there.
Please let me hug my daughter, bro. That's all I want. Let me hug my daughter. There's a wallet. There's a light.
Don't be reaching for stuff, man.
Nigga, I ain't got a gun. If y'all
Okay,
want to shoot
stop.
me, nigga, shoot me. I don't give a fuck, bro. Shoot me. Nigga, kill me. Nigga, kill me. I don't give a fuck.
Why would we do that?
Cause, nigga, I want to die. That's the whole fucking point.
That's all you got on you, brother.
Yes, that's all I got on me. I got
Okay.
no charger or wallet. And you look at me. No,
Look
hold on.
at-
I was
look
trying to tell them what's in my pocket. Let me
Look
talk
at that
over.
little look.
I don't have a gun. I ain't had a gun in months, bro. The goddamn cops broke my gun. The guy ain't got shit on
We're
me.
gonna stand you up. Pull him up right
Here,
here.
I got up. I can get up. Please let me get up by myself.
Sit right here.
Let me talk to my daughter,
No,
please.
sit right here.
Please let me talk to my daughter.
No.
Bro. That's all I want.
I
Let
got
me
the
talk
rest
to
of
my
that stuff
daughter.
on top there.
Okay.
Let me talk to my daughter, please.
All right. Go get information from them.
You a father? Are you a father?
All right, listen to me. If you sit in this car, if you start
I'll
kicking,
calm
shut
down.
up for a second. If you start kicking, if you start punching, if you start spitting, if you start doing something stupid,
I'm not.
you're not going to talk to a soul. Do you understand?
I just want to talk to my daughter.
All right,
I'm
hang
not
tight.
gonna shit, bro.
Okay, hang tight.
Right before you hit that apartment's driveway,
Uh-huh.
or like right after, he hit her with the stroller and everything. I saw it through the window. And then he comes in and starts screaming, so I called the cops. My mom has CCTV footage in the living room too, where
Okay.
he was snatching the baby, because it was like violent.
Yeah, any videos would definitely help. And which child was
She's
it
at
that?
work. This one.
Okay,
That's what I'm saying. Like, she's too damn tiny for that, just because you want to sit there and drink.
I got you. So after that happened, was there anything else that happened?
Oh, he started screaming on the porch and everything. He snatched her again on the porch, and then he started ripping his shirt, and then he just kept yelling and screaming.
Was there anything that might have started it? Was there an argument
I
or?
think he's been drinking, and that's what might have started it.
Been drinking.
There's an old messages that
Was it from today?
And he stole her money and everything. I think that's what might have started it.
Okay.
Because it started over on Curry Crossing. Just over. And then they walked over. I guess that she wanted to defuse her son, and he followed.
Okay.
That's why I called, because you don't snatch a baby like that. It was like a hard snatch.
Was there any injuries or anything that you know of? Where did she get hit at?
Well, he said get my baby and like snatched it like this, but it was like violent.
Okay.
Yeah, but he did it like 3 times.
Is your window supposed to be down?
Mm-mm.
Tell them shut up.
Yeah.
Please, sir, I just want to talk to my wife.
Okay, didn't we tell you? Didn't we tell you how it's going to be?
Please talk to my
Get
wife.
your feet back in the car now, or I'm gonna hobble your ass.
Oh. Do what you want. Shoot me, please.
All right.
Please shoot me.
Stop.
Shoot me.
So,
He's gonna end up getting hobbled.
so what happened on Curry? Over at Curry. Started there, right?
It started over here.
He lives over there.
Yeah. That's his girlfriend right over here. Yeah. The small one.
So there was another couple that came over to deliver a message about something regarding custody, and his girlfriend, baby mama, whatever, didn't want to talk to that other couple.
Yeah.
So he came out to just sort of be the go-between.
Yep.
And receive the message. And that's about all there was to it.
Yeah.
But this incident here, did this start at Curry Crossing?
It started over here at this apartment
This
that they were at.
apartment,
Yeah.
So,
Apartment now.
okay, so
Yeah.
he come over here? What did he come over here for?
There was all I know is there was like a custody dispute with it, and he came over screaming and hollering, and I could probably get more details on it, but essentially he had jerked the seat that she was in, or pulled her up, and after that started yelling, trying to take the kid, and they couldn't get a hold of the kid. After that, he started screaming and yelling.
And then when you guys pulled up, he just takes off running.
He had started running as soon as we jumped into the subdivision. We come around the corner right here, and they're up there going, he's running. And I saw the red shirt, and that's when me and him were like, go.
Yeah, he jumped into Unit 18. The guy in there said that he ran.
Yeah, guy in there said he ran out the back, so I came around the back.
In the back there on his phone. And then he went hands on. Listen, you need to stop. You need to stop. Back up.
Shoot me. Shoot me. I don't give a fuck. Why shoot me?
I do.
Here, take my belt. Give me my old lady, bro.
Look at me.
I'm gonna kill myself. Trust me.
Look at
I'm
me.
gonna kill myself.
Look at me.
I got scars on my throat, bro. I tried to slit my
Okay,
throat
I
back when I
got
was
you.
19.
But listen to me.
Can I just say bye to
Can
my
you
kid?
stop for a second and listen?
Yes, I will if you
Okay.
let me say bye
No.
to my
You
kid.
will, and then you get to talk to your kid. You
Please.
understand me?
I just want to talk to my kid.
We're figuring stuff out. As soon as
Sir, I
we
just
get
wanna talk-
done,
Can I get out?
can you shut up?
Yes. Can I, y'all, one of y'all got a cigarette?
You're not shutting up.
I'm sorry, but one of y'all
As
got a
soon as we
cigarette.
get done,
One of y'all got a cigarette.
depending on how you're acting,
Okay, I'll call
then
back.
you'll get to maybe speak to
Can
somebody.
I please loosen my, can y'all
Do you
please
understand
loosen my
me?
cuffs a little bit?
Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But,
All right.
And
So,
put your
shake
damn
my hand.
feet in there.
Just shake my
Put
hand.
your
I
damn
understand.
feet in
I know,
there.
I'm showing you. I understand. Shake my hand.
No.
Not right now.
Get a cigarette.
all right, so shut up and listen. I want to talk to you for a second.
Yes, sir.
How did you get to apartment 9 today?
I walked
From where?
over there. Yeah, you seen me the other day. You know where I was.
I'm
You
asking
seen me
you,
too.
where were you from?
It's,
I know, but I want to hear from you.
It's up. Goddamn, I can't remember the number. It's 121 Border Street.
Curry Crossing.
Yes,
Apartments. Okay.
You seen me the other day. Y'all told
Yes.
me y'all felt sorry.
So why are you over here?
Because I come to see my old lady's mom and them.
Okay.
And I come to smoke a pre-roll that I bought from Tabos. That's
All
it.
right. So she was already here, right?
I walked with her.
You walked with her over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So at some point an argument started.
Yes, sir.
What was the argument about?
I don't know. I've been drinking. I caught her cheating on me, texting another dude the other day. And it's not sitting right with me. I've been loyal to that girl for 2 fucking years.
Okay. You put your hands on her?
No, I didn't, sir. I did not.
What about this stroller they're saying you jerked in it here?
I don't know. I was pushing the stroller with my daughter in it, and I guess it must have hit her. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to fucking do it.
Don't apologize to me. I don't care.
Well, can you tell her to come here? I'll
No,
apologize to
I'm
her.
still talking to you. So, why did you run when the police got here?
Cause, bro, I don't want to go back to jail. That's why.
What would you go to jail for?
I went for a DUI.
What
back
would
in
you go to
March.
jail for this time?
I don't fucking know.
What?
I don't like the cops. They don't like me. Okay, my last name's Fowler. Y'all know my fucking family.
What does that got to do with anything? I don't know you from the next guy.
I got a bad fucking reputation with the law because of my family.
Again,
That's why I took
you.
off. I didn't mean to
The
fucking
dumbest
run.
thing you can do is run when we show up.
Well, I didn't mean to run, bro. I just don't want to go back to fucking jail. I don't like jail. I like being out with my family.
Well, then quit doing dumb stuff. But today you going to jail. You're going for public intox because you're drunk. You can't be out in public while you're drunk.
Yes, sir,
And you're going for disorderly conduct.
yes, sir.
Out here screaming and yelling.
I understand, sir. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to show my ass. I didn't mean to make a scene.
I appreciate that.
The officer
But
don't have no right to fucking slam me, bro.
huh?
The officer don't have no right to slam me, bro. I'm smaller than y'all.
It don't matter.
Why the fuck
Did
y'all
you
wanna
run?
slam me? I tried, but I didn't get far.
Then that's why he slammed you.
Y'all check my shoulder out.
What's wrong with it?
I don't fucking know, but it hurts.
Well, it's probably because it's behind your back.
No, I can't fucking reach it. It's hurting right here, okay?
Okay. Well, it's probably where you got
They
slammed
didn't
on the
fucking
ground.
slam me. They slammed me on my stomach. I know.
Yeah. Okay.
Just please, can I give my daughter a hug?
No,
Y'all can
we're past
place
that.
me back in fucking cuffs. I don't care. I just want to give my daughter a hug and tell her I love her.
You can do that when you get a phone call down at the jail.
Sir, please. I don't know her number. Hey, sir. Can I please get my wife's number?
Did you break the officer's window?
I just want my wife's number, please.
Get out. Get down on your knees.
Okay, goddamn. Quit fucking slamming me, bro. Goddamn. Bro, y'all some bullshit, bro. Y'all know my cousin's officer, right?
I don't give a fuck who your officer
Bitch, I don't give a fuck, nigga.
up.
Fuck you. Man, y'all some pigs any fucking way. Bitch ass. Nigga. Hey, baby! I love you! I love you like I love Bella too! But please, quit. Bro, y'all bullshit, bro. Bro, you hurt my goddamn wrist.
I don't fucking care.
But, bitch, I got PTSD and schizophrenia, nigga.
Well, you should have thought about that.
Bro, y'all hurt me, quit.
Stop kicking stuff. You're real close to catching a felony.
Got tied up by one.
You charged with that too? What? Marijuana?
That was in his pocket.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I charge him with every bit of it.
Yeah.
You gotta do warrants at this point
obstruction.
anyway. Obstruction for running. Obstruction, yep. It's up to y'all now, man. That's y'all's charges.
Oh no, it's your charges, baby.
Yeah, whatever you think. But you definitely got the possession of marijuana. You got the disorderly for screaming and yelling out here causing the scene.
Public drunk.
And you got the public intox. So
Did you go 95? I'll put you 95 then.
Thank you.